Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I'm Vera. In this video, I will show you how to power off on Vivo Y19s. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. I wanna turn off this phone. The classical way is to push long on the power button like this. Yep, you can see this method doesn't work. And the right way to turn off this phone is to push and hold volume up and power button together. The volume up button and the power button together like this. You will see that the power off menu appears. And here you can power off your phone very easy. But you also power off on your phone with the classical way is to push long on the power button. But you must to activate the settings first. Open your settings menu. Then go to shortcuts and accessibility. Next you open press and hold power button. Next, you click press and hold power button. You choose these options, enable the power and emergency menu. Okay, finish. Time to result. Push long on the power button to power off your phone. Yep, successfully. Here you can power off or you can restart your phone. I try to power off. Click power off. Yep, successfully my phone is turned off. And if you want to turn on this phone, you can push it long on the power button too, like this. Wait a minute, your phone already turned on. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.